Hi everyone and welcome back to R&M LABGH. Today I'm presenting a really cool project that can be very useful and has many different applications. For this tutorial we will use it as an RFID card access control system to open a door. As you'll notice, today we are using an Arduino Nano or mini model, which is functionally the same as the Arduino Uno but just smaller. The output pins are identical. We will be using our breadboard and the jumper wires. The components we need are 1/16" extra LCD with an OC interface, one servo motor to actuate the lock, 2 LEDs and two 220 ohm resistors, one RC522 RFID reader. As always, I have prepared a very simple wiring diagram for the connections. By following the diagram and watching the video, making the connections will be very easy. Now that we have finished assembling all the electronics, we need to create a mechanism to simulate the closing of a door and observe the correct functioning of our work. Obviously, this is a desktop prototype, and we will try to simulate the mechanism's operation. As always, we will use salvaged materials or items that are easy and cheap to find. However, this solution, the Servo Motor prototype, is absolutely functional and can also be used on a door to create a basic, secure and effective locking system. Naturally, it won't have the best design, but it is fully operational and proves the concept. Optional, if you want to mention the professional alternative, for a more robust or definitive solution, you can purchase an electric lock and, instead of the servo motor, use a relay to control it. Now, as always, we move to the computer to upload our code, but today we will do something a little different. First, let's connect the USB cable between the Arduino and the computer. Remember to select the correct board. Today we need to select the Arduino Mini or Nano and, of course, the correct serial port. Now let's upload the first code, the one called the card code reader, which is used to verify and retrieve the codes of your various cards. After uploading the code, open the serial monitor. Scan the cards you want to memorize and note down the codes that appear. Once this step is done, we now upload the other code, the effective one called card reader door lock, which you will obviously find in the description. We upload the code and modify the section where all the zeros are present. We then insert our previously recorded codes here. After making this change, we re-upload the code, and finally we will see our project in action. Good. Finally, let's see our project in action. You will notice that only the cards we have memorized in the code are functional. Those not memorized, however, are not. When the card is enabled or authorized, the green LED turns on and the LCD display recognizes it, showing you the welcome message. Conversely, when the card is not registered, the red LED turns on and the LCD display shows the message card not enabled. With this system, you can memorize as many cards as you want, depending on the users who will use that entrance. For example, in a family, each member can have their own card for access. Any other card not registered in the code simply won't work. Thank you for watching this video. I invite you to subscribe to the channel, click the bell so you don't miss the next content, and leave a comment. If you need clarification or want to propose new ideas, don't hesitate to contact me in the comments or via email. Thank you again and see you in the next video.